This is for mathematical methods that comes out of 4B question number 8. I have two parabolas drawn. I've got to find the equations. Go to this first one, which is here. That's the turning point, and that's at 4, 3. And that's another point, which is 0, 1. Since this is the turning point, I can use y equals a x minus 4 squared plus 3, because I know that negative 4 and 3 will be there if I know the turning point. Then I can use this other point over here, which is y will be 1 when x is 0. 1 minus 3 equals 16a. A equals negative 2 on 16. A equals negative 1 on 8. Therefore y equals negative 1 on 8. X minus 4 squared plus 3 will be the equation of this curve. Looking at the second curve, I know this, so I know that the y-intercept is negative 5. I know this point here, which should be 4 and 1. So, if I use y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, I know that c is going to be negative 5. So y equals a x squared plus bx minus 5. I know this is a point at 4, 1, so if I sub that in, 1 equals a times 4 squared plus b times 4 minus 5. 5 comes over in pluses, so 6 equals 16a plus 4b. I could halve everything, 3 equals 8a plus 2b. That's going to be equation number 1. I'm looking for a second equation. Because I know this is the axis of symmetry at x equals negative 4, and I know this point, because of symmetry, I know the point over here, which should be, if that's 8, negative 12 and 1. Which means, into this equation I can add the point, negative 12 and 1. So 1 equals a times negative 12 squared plus b times negative 12 minus 5. 6 equals 144a minus 12b. Halve everything. 3 equals 144 halved 72 a minus 6b. 3 must go into everything, so 1 equals 2 with 1 over 24a minus 2b. Equation number 2. So now I can add 3 equals 8a plus 2b to equation 2, which is 1 equals 24a minus 2b. And I get 4 equals 32a, therefore a equals 4 on 32, which is 1/8. And if a equals 1/8, 1 equals 24 times 1/8 minus 2b. 1 equals 3 minus 2b. 2b equals 3 minus 1. b equals 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So a equals 1/8, b equals 1, and c equals negative 5. Therefore y equals 1/8 x squared plus x minus 5.